Good, how are you?
Go hang out for a bit? Yeah, I got it. I'm gonna grab this one. All right.
Come on. 2 days later.
Never pull it back. All right, but come on. We're good. Turn around? Yeah. Right there. All right. I have no problem if you record it. If you'd like to record, you can actually stand right over there directly in front of my unit, and it'll show you everything, okay?
Okay, stay in that position until I tell you otherwise. You understand? Alright, so you're going to take 9 heel toe steps. 1, 2, 3, all the way until 9. When you get to your 9th step, leave your lead foot on the ground. Take small steps around.
In the corner of 288 Business and 288 at the gas station, Falcon Express.
Oh, okay, yeah, go ahead.
Out of y'all's?
What? So we getting ready to search the car? Is that what I heard?
What's that?
You're going to search the car? Is that what I heard?
actually do not know what he asked for, Mr. Gray.
Oh.
I'm going to be completely honest
Okay.
with you.
Why is he going inside the store?
He asked to use the bathroom.
He has to use the restroom?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I heard him say he's going to search the car. I don't know why he's going to search the car.
Yeah, like I said, I didn't hear what he had said when I walked over there to throw my trash away.
Okay. So I'm good to walk around now a little bit until he comes back? All right.
Yeah.
So I heard this over the scanner, right? And this guy, I think it was called in by a Karen, and then the state trooper was telling him, I think all the way from at least County Road 48, and then they got here, right?
He was actually behind the vehicle.
He was behind the vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
He had somebody he was transporting for Angleton PD
Oh,
to
so
here.
okay.
He was behind the vehicle.
So that was the delay. That's why
Yes,
he said he
sir.
couldn't pull him over.
He was calling for us, but we didn't have anybody close by in the area.
Gotcha. Okay. Who was following him to make and monitoring him on the road? Was that? Yes, this is live. So, in another first, I've never seen the suspect allowed to go to the bathroom and then come back. I've never seen that before. See something every day. That's right. Always film the police. That's right. Hey, thank you very much for the stars, by the way.
Out of Missouri County Sheriff's Office. Report? Out of the Sheriff's Office. Make a call.
So, guys, he has some warrants out of Brazoria County. So, like I said, never do the stupid human tricks. Never do the stupid human tricks.
How much do you want? Oh, they can be over here in a second. Please give me a call. Give me a second.
Double lock these so don't fight. Okay.
Hey, what's your name, man, so I can check on you?
Hey. Oh. Hey, where you at? Hey, man, you need to go outside right quick, man.
Hey, what's your name, man, so I can check on you?
Hey. Hey. Hello? Hey, man, I'm about to go to jail, man. I mean, they say I got some warrants somewhere.
Out of the Sheriff's Office. You have one out of the county.
I think it's from Manville, right?
I'm not sure. I haven't seen it. I was just advised by dispatch. You have one out of our agency.
No, that's the police, man. Hey, can you go get my truck? Man, that bitch is on, where we at?
288 needs
I'm
South
good if
Express
she can.
gas station.
Man, we at the truck stop on Rosharon Edge. No, man, come get my shit, man. Before they tow my shit. Man, that shit is in Lake Jackson, bro. Babe, hold on, man, hold on. Hey, can you get somebody to come get my shit? I don't want my truck to get towed, man. I'm gonna go to jail. Like, you talking too much, man. Call somebody. I don't want my truck to get towed. I'm finna go to jail. Like, what fuck you don't understand? Jakir.
I'm gonna be here like 10 more minutes. If nobody's here, I'm calling.
Hey, you want me to take it for you, man?
Hey. Jakir, get one of your sisters or somebody to come follow you to come get my shit, man. Because they're gonna tow my truck because I got a warrant out of, I think it's on Highway 6 right there. Hey. Yeah, I know that, babe. When I get to the jail, they're gonna let me do that. I'm gonna figure that out. But I'm just letting you know, like, bro, I'm finna go to jail. I don't want them to tow my truck, please. Okay, look. Oh, well, you know what? Call my dad. My dad's good. He at home. He's chilling. Call my dad, okay? All right.
Man, if you need me to, I can take possession of your truck.
Man, this really ain't the right time right now. Me and my wife want to
Man, I could save your truck if you want me to.
Huh?
I could save your truck if you want me to. Just tell them I can save it. I'll take possession of it and leave it right there. That way, it's no longer in their possession.
You can do it?
Yep. You can turn it over to me, man.
Yeah, bro.
Hang on.
You can. Just tell them you want to turn it over to me.
Hello? Man, I'm at the truck stop on Rosharon exit, baby.
We're at, it's the Falcon Express at 288, 288B.
Dude,
Hey, look. I got a cameraman out here.
I'll take it.
Wait. Hey,
Yeah.
come here.
Yep.
What's your name?
I'm John Gray. I'm
Hey,
extra,
look.
I'm extra good citizen
I'm
on
about to leave
YouTube.
my truck with John Gray, okay?
We have 274 people watching right now, man.
All right. I'm about to send you my location, but look. A guy, look.
What I'm gonna do? Hey man, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take possession of it and leave it right there. I'm not gonna take off with it. But once I have possession of it, you're on private property, so they can't tow it off from there. All right, I'm gonna take possession of the truck, sir. You don't have to tow it.
Yeah, the warning for
Hey, he can take my truck. My wife's finna
You're
come.
gonna give the truck to a stranger?
I'm not.
Man, what you gonna do with it? You gonna steal it? Shit.
I have 286 people watching. I don't think I'm gonna steal his truck, man.
Hey, hell, I ain't worried about you stealing my shit.
Yeah.
Hello? I just sent you the location, babe.
Man, this is Deputy Tech on the Sheriff's Office. We're at the gas station. It's called Falcon Express. It's located at 280 State Highway 288 and 288 Business. Yes, ma'am.
Man, she mad because, you know.
Hey, I'm gonna stall till they get here, man.
Hey.
That's what I'm gonna do.
1 second, bro. What's up? Let me give him my keys.
Yep.
I'll get up for you.
Okay.
My keys.
And
everything
also,
to my truck.
also your
My
address.
wife's finna come, bro.
Okay.
She
Yeah,
wanna
I'm
be
just
in
stalling
the-
so they can't tow it.
She
Is all
been
I'm
a
doing.
white folk.
Okay. I'm just stalling so they can't do it.
I have no idea. Like I said, my dispatch just advised me to go one out of our
Where at?
out of the Florida County Sheriff's Office. This right here, our county road 46 in England. We cover the entire county. We work the entire county.
I'm not quite sure it's fucking Highway 6, man.
You also have some traffic tickets out like Deer Park, but I'm not worried about those. Yeah. I'm
Got up there buying up tonight?
you'll see the judge.
I just did. Chance I have to take, man. Also, since I have possession of it, they shouldn't be able to do an inventory of it as well. That'll also keep them from doing the search. They have no need to inventory it now.
Great.
Yep.
I'm gonna inventory it and then have you sign for it.
Why do you have to inventory it? Isn't that the same as search?
In our custody.
But he just released the vehicle to me. You don't have to do the inventory.
He's in our custody. So
Yeah, but he released the vehicle to me. There's no
the
sense in
vehicle's mine right now. and
Okay.
I have to do an inventory to
why
release it.
why would you have to do an inventory?
It's in my custody right now.
I think it's just an excuse to search it, and I think it's BS.
He gave us permission to search anyway.
No such thing as the Fourth Amendment in Brazoria County, folks. So that's right. So basically, it's just an excuse to search the vehicle.
Yeah, I'll do it. Hey.
So it went from my possession to his possession. There was no need for it to go to the his possession.
Until you sign for it.
I've never had to sign for taking a car. I've never seen anyone else had to sign for taking a car. That's my friend, man. He just turned the car over to me. So, yep. Still got to get the search in, folks. Still got to get the search. Yeah, his wife is coming. I'm just stalling, basically. Yeah. I just want to let you know, sir, that I did not want the search, the car searched, and the car was turned over to me. I just want that stated. No, I didn't give him permission to search my car. I didn't. Nope. Hey, thank you very much for the stars. Wow, lots of stars. Thank you. Hey, more stars, more stars. Thank you. Thank you very much. Rolando, thank you for the stars, man. I particularly don't care what he has warrants for. I still believe that the Constitution should be upheld, and he has due process. Right now, this is my car. And he's searching my car that I gave him. As you can see, he's gone, right? He turned this car over to me. He's left the scene. This is my car. There's no reason to do an inventory on it. None. Yeah, I haven't consented to the search of my vehicle. I haven't. Okay, very good. Thank you very much for the stars. Help me out with some of this gas money. I've driven everywhere today. Also, if you're not, we're starting a new page, Fort Bend County Scanner as well. I was out there doing some videos today. If you're not following Fort Bend County Scanner on Facebook, make sure you do so. I think I shot about 2 or 3 videos out there today, so.
Just a minute.
Okay.
I'll have you sign for it.
All right. Sandy, thank you for the stars. I appreciate it. Yeah, we'll make sure that gets out of there. Mondo again with 100 stars. Thank you. Jennifer, thank you very much. Yeah, guys, so the second he turned the car over to me, there was no reason to inventory the car. At that point, it became my vehicle, and then that search would have been... I didn't consent to the search, and I asked for the search not to happen, so... I don't know. Yeah, that's he did. He looked. He passed the test. He wasn't arrested for DUI. He was arrested for warrants. So. Wow, guys! Thank you very much for the stars. like I said, it's really going to help out because I have been driving all over this town. 2 counties today. Make sure I got my license back. Man. Armando, thank you for the 1,000 stars. I actually don't start work until Monday, so we have all weekend there. Melissa, there's your name. How about that? Hope you're having a good evening. Correct. Kevin, thank you for the stars. Wow, 6,400 stars. Thank you, Rolando. Thank you. This guy needs a secretary, man. Sandy, thank you very much. I'm not trying to provoke anyone. I'm trying to get the keys to my car and go about my business. This guy is already having a bad day. He's going to jail. If they can't afford to pay for the warrants, whatever they're for, then he's going to be out of work. I'm just trying to save him a few bucks. So the towing is also an expensive part of the process. So I've done it several times. It is my car now. I'm in possession of it at this point. Possession is 9/10 of the law, right? No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna steal the guy's car. I'm kidding. Just kidding.
Alright. You can sign all 3 copies, please.
Okay. Can you hold this for me?
Sure.
Thanks. Oh, good. That's what I wanted to do. Right? Do I get a copy?
That's his info.
Yeah, that's what I needed. Hey, thanks for holding my camera, by the way. Yeah.
I'm going to give him another copy, and then one's for us.
There you go,
So
man.
now the vehicle's yours.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, where's the keys? Do you have the keys?
Front seat.
Front seat. Okay, thank you, man. So I have the inventory from a search. Someone in the chat said the wife was on her way up here. If you could send me a message, or I'm gonna post this in a minute. I'll hit finish. You'll be able to go back and watch the stream. All right, guys. Remember, never talk to the police, never do the stupid human tricks, and always record the police. Have a great night. Watch for notifications.